Ako nga pala si Brad Giovanni Sanchez. Ang kakantahin ko po ngayon ay Maybe This Time. Para po to sa mga naghihintay hanggang ngayon. Mga kaibigan ko po dito, si Ricky. Ricky, say hi, Ricky.
Isa pa.
Ang cameraman ko po si Tiboy. Yan si Tiboy.
Lugi ah.
Okay. Sana magustuhan niyo po ito.
Okay.
Tuloy na yan. Gagalingin ko na talaga ito. Two old friends meet again, wearing old faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again, have a need for more reminiscence. Maybe this time they'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Maybe this time they'll want it. It's the same old feeling again. It's the one that they had back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change. Isn't time as cold a flame? It's burning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance and if they take it, maybe this time they'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Maybe this time they'll want it. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to smile way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic